Welcome to MA. Let us make maths easier. Okay. Today we are going to see about the question number 13. Okay. Show that the relation are defined in the set A of all polygons has relation R equal to set P1, P2 such that P1 and P2 have same number of sides. Okay, is an equivalence relation. You have to show that it is an equivalence relation. Okay. Question number 13. Given relation R equal to P1, P2 such that P1 and P2 have same number of sides. Okay, same number of sides. Okay, here for equivalence relation you have to satisfy the तीन condition. Okay, RST. RST का मतलब reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, तीन condition you have to satisfy. Therefore here it is an equivalence relation. ठीक है. First condition, reflexive. For every element of A belongs to capital A. P1, again P1 belongs to R. Okay, because here it is have same number of sides. Suppose here it is 3 polygons, here also it is 3 sides polygon. Okay, therefore here it is satisfying. It is reflexive relation. ठीक है, reflexive relation. Next, दूसरा condition symmetric. For symmetric, P1, P2 belongs to R. ठीक है, P2, P1 belongs to R. ठीक है, here it is A, B. Here B, A. ठीक है, only the places are get interchanged. Okay, therefore here it is having same number of sides. ठीक है, same number of sides. ठीक है, therefore here it is symmetric relation. ठीक है, R का मतलब रिलेशन. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट फॉर ट्रांसिटिव P1, P2, P2, P3 फॉर कंपैरिजन A, B, B, C. ठीक है, A, B, B, C belongs to R. Therefore A, C, P1, P3 also belongs to R. Therefore here it is A, C. Therefore here it is satisfying the condition. You have to write P1 and P3 here have same number of sides. ठीक है, therefore here it is transitive relation. ठीक है, here you satisfied all तीन condition: reflexive relation, symmetric relation, transitive relation. Therefore it is an equivalence relation. ठीक है, equivalence relation. Okay, here question is not still completed. Okay, next, what is the set of all elements in A related to the right angle triangle T with sides 3, 4, and 5. Okay, the right angle triangle they have given. This is the right angle triangle. Here it should be 90 degree. Therefore, the hypotenuse should be higher. Okay, higher value 5. Here it should be 3 or 4. Okay. Therefore, here right angle triangle. Okay, right angle triangle has how many sides? 1, 2, 3. Okay, right angle triangle has 3 sides. Okay, you have to write finally the set of all elements. Same in the question you have to write elements in A related to right angle triangle. Right angle triangle have 3 sides. 3 sides. Okay. Okay. I hope you are understood. Question number 13. Okay. Therefore, question number 14. Question number 14. Here, let L be the set of all lines in x, y plane. Okay. In graph x and y plane. Okay. And R be the relation in line L defined as R equal to, okay, given you have to write question number 14. Relation R equal to set L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel to L2. Show that R is an equivalence relation. Okay, you have to show that it is an equivalence relation. Okay, here R set L1, L2 such that L1 is parallel. Okay, parallel to L2. Parallel का मतलब see here, it is parallel. Okay, L1, L2. Okay, L1 is parallel to L2. Therefore, first for equivalence you have to satisfy all 3 condition. Alphabetic order R, S, T. R का मतलब रिफ्लेक्सिव, S का मतलब सिमेट्रिक, T का मतलब ट्रांसिटिव. ठीक है. फर्स्ट वन L1, L1 belongs to R. ठीक है. Therefore, here L1 is parallel to itself. ठीक है. L1 is parallel to itself. ठीक है. और दूसरा कंडीशन here you have to write reflexive relation. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट L1, L2 belongs to R. L2, L1 also belongs to R because A here B. It is B here A, B, B, A. Therefore, only the places is interchange. See here. Here it is L2 now, here L1. Therefore, here also it is parallel. Therefore, you have to write L1 is parallel to L2 again you have to write L2 is parallel to L1. Okay, you have to write the both the terms. Okay, therefore here it is symmetric relation. ठीक है, symmetric relation. और दूसरा condition transitive. Transitive you have to take another term as L3. See here L3 you have to take. Okay, L1 comma L2, L2 comma L3 belongs to R. ठीक है, A B, here it is B C. Okay, A comma B, B comma C belongs to R. Therefore A comma C, here L1 comma L3 belongs to R. A C. Therefore here it is satisfying the condition. You have to write like this: L1 is parallel to L3. Okay, for every question you have to write like this. Okay. Okay. Next, here it is satisfying. Therefore transitive relation. Okay, transitive relation. Here it is satisfy all 3 condition: reflexive relation, symmetric relation, or transitive relation. Therefore here finally you have to write it is equivalence relation. ठीक है, equivalence relation. Here still the question is not completed. ठीक है, find the set of all lines related to the line y equal to 2x plus 4. Here y equal to 2x plus 4. Here it is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. ठीक है, y equal to mx plus c. Here it is m, here it is c. Therefore m equal to 2, c equal to 4. You have to write like this: the set of all lines related to line. ठीक है, in the set of all lines they are parallel. ठीक है, parallel to the line. ठीक है, here it should be parallel. Okay, parallel to the lines. Okay, therefore y equal to 2x plus 4. ठीक है, here slope of a line is nothing but y equal to mx plus c. Therefore here m equal to 2. ठीक है, therefore it is known as parallel lines. ठीक है, parallel lines have the same slope. ठीक है, parallel lines have the same slope. The set of all lines related to given line. ठीक है, given line. ठीक है, here y equal to mx plus c. C is nothing but 4. Okay, when 4 belongs to R. Okay, therefore the question is completed here. Okay, I hope you all understood. Next, question number 15. Here, one more question. Set A 1, 2, 3, 4 relation R equal to 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. Okay, you have to write set A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, relation R equal to first one 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 4, 4, 1, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2. This is the given ordered pair. For this ordered pair, you have to check all 3 conditions. Okay. First one, reflexive. Reflexive का मतलब for every A belongs to capital A. Therefore, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 are present in our ordered pair. Therefore, it is belongs to R. Here, it is reflexive relation. Okay, reflexive relation. Next, for symmetry, 1, 2 belongs to R, but 2, 1 not belongs to R. Okay, 2, 1 is not here in our ordered pair. Okay, therefore it is not symmetric relation. Okay, next, for transitive. For transitive, you have to take A, B, B, C. Okay, here A 1, 3, A, B. Next, here it is B, C. A, B, B, C belongs to R. Okay, therefore A, C 1, 2 also belongs to R. See here, 1, 2 is present here. Therefore, here it is satisfying. It is transitive. Transitive relation. Finally, you have to write R is reflexive and transitive. Okay, R is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Okay, but not symmetric. See here, R is reflexive and transitive, but not symmetric. Therefore, option B is correct. Okay, next, question number 16. Let R be the relation in set N given by R equal to set A, B such that A equal to B minus 2, B greater than 6. Okay. Question number 16. Here R equal to relation set A, B such that A equal to B minus 2, B greater than 6. Okay, here it is a, here b, a comma b. Okay, b should be greater than 6 का मतलब b should be 7 or 8. Okay, let us take 7. A equal to 7 minus 2, therefore a equal to 5, but a is not present here. Okay, a equal to 2, a equal to 3, a equal to 6, a equal to 8. Therefore you have to check the next condition. a b equal to 8, therefore 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Here it is present. Okay, option C, a 6 comma 8 belongs to R. ठीक है, 1 mark question. Okay, I hope you all understand. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.